candle, which is a bullish harami candle, right? So on we went long on this day at around 1831, and with the day's lowest stop loss for the target of 1955, 1932, 1933 and 1960. So that's where our target. So the first target was achieved the very next day, and the second target a couple of days later. And this was a trade that I had posted on Twitter before taking the trade. So this is another example of why how candlesticks can help us make so in just 5 days all your you got a very nice return with an amazing risk reward. With just 1% risk, you got close to 5-6% move, right? So candlesticks are a very effective means of finding out which trades to take, and more importantly, making the money with momentum. So that's something that I like, momentum trading. So candlesticks help me a lot in that. So it's a perfect example of a bullish harami. So one might want to save this for future use. Thank you very much. I'll be back next week with another video, another of my actual trades. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.